back to the channel. Today we're off to Alton Towers. We're stopping in the cbeebies hotel, mainly because, well, that's the only one that can fit 7 people in. They have pirates, they have a pirate room, they have just a tumble room, a bluey room, and in the night garden room. So we pick pirates. After we've checked in, we're going to go to Splash Landings, water park, and have some fun there.
Jay's excited enough.
That's your first time.
There's flashing lights on the brother.
You can't actually fly it. You can't actually fly it, Jay.
Right, come on now.
Let's go. Anyway, let's go. Let's see what
Jay,
you
you need to tell my hand.
I see blues.
See, we're in the pirate room. Very big, very spacious. Suppose it has to be to fit 7 people in. Splash Landings water park. It's very good here, you do enjoy it. Can't film, this is as far as we can film. We decided to spend an obscene amount of money at the arcades as usual, because the kids love spending money. to our TikTok and Facebook, where you can see all of our little pictures that we could take and upcoming future videos. Didn't get much of the food area because it's all you can eat buffet type style. Food was very nice, really, considering it's like a big buffet all you can eat. It was very nice. Yeah, we gorged ourselves, unfortunately. So did the kids, but hey, we got another thing.
Gabby, no.
Yeah, you're gonna get more.
Jay, come on, Baba. Right, I'll switch it off for now. You can watch it back at the post. Yeah? Well,
We have landed on the cbeebies island. What's happening? Let's. Hey Jay, can I get a hug? Stay at time.
In the morning, we went downstairs to have a all-you-can-eat breakfast buffet. Like I said, there's a very wide selection: toast. They do cereal, do fresh fruit. They also do cooked stuff, like you fry up type stuff. After we had a little walk around to walk off the breakfast that we gorged ourselves on, and we found a little park, so the kids decided to have some fun, and let's be honest, so did I.
on then.
Hey, there's a sea. Hi. I do want to go now. My elevator music. In the shop.
As you heard in the lift, they have songs, so I ended up doing some funky dancing. And yeah, it's time to go. All of our kids loved it.
Say bye.
One of our youngest really loved it, and
Come
he
on.
didn't want to go home. He wanted to stay, and unfortunately the tears came out. So
Oh
we
dear.
might go back again soon.
Come on. Come on. Let's go. Oh dear, Bob.
I miss this place.
I know.
So yeah, if you like this sort of thing, like, comment, subscribe, and also, as I say, we do have a Facebook and TikTok, so if you'd like to follow us over there, gratefully appreciate it, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.